Let's see if we can fix this pumpkin. I got it from the thrift store for 12 bucks. There's some pieces moving around on the bottom. And there's a circuit card. I don't really know too much about it, but take it apart and look. So, the magnet from the speaker was flopping around in there. I'm guessing probably got dropped, and then once this was rolling around in there, broke the speaker wire off. So I'm gonna solder it back on, see if this thrift store pumpkin still got some life. Okay, got the wire on. I did notice when I was messing with the speaker, the spring for the best sound has to go inside that slot. Otherwise it's real dim sounding. Originally it was super glued in there. It looked like I'm going to put some hot glue on the outside to hold it all together. So it's all together, and I have it set on sensor. Works good. So I hope this helps you fix yours if you find a broken one. Like I said, I bet that's a common problem from getting dropped. That magnet is only lightly super glued in there. Enjoy.